So let's look at a couple examples. Now our directions here are going to be something along the lines of simplify the rational exponent, something like that. But I want you to notice about this problem though is that we have numerical values that we're raising to numerical exponents. Our final answer should be a pretty straightforward simple number. So for the first example of 16 to the 3/4, we need to identify what's going on, that our exponent is 3/4, meaning that the 3 is the power I'm raising to, and 4 is the index of my radical. So we're going to be taking a fourth root of this number 16, and we're going to raise it to the third power. And so again, we were talking about this before the example, that we should take the radical first, then the power, because we don't make our numbers small before we make them big. Without a calculator, I don't want to try to do 16 to the third power. That's ridiculous. Even though I could mathematically, it's correct to do that. I would rather say the fourth root of 16, that's 2. And then 2 to the third power, that's 8. That's our answer to 16 to the 3/4 power, is 8. Now if we apply the same thing over on the other problem, the negative 27 to the 2/3, we look at the exponent of 2/3. 2 is the power I'm going to raise to. 3 is the index of the radical. So 3 is the index of the radical, that I'm taking the cube root of negative 27. And whatever answer I get, I'm going to square it. So my answer to the cube root of negative 27 is negative 3. If I take negative 3 and square it, I get positive 9, because again, this is negative 3 times negative 3, and this is where our organization is really important. We organize step by step by step with parentheses where necessary.